Welcome. You drink it every morning, but do you know the journey of the bean? Today we are inside the factory to see how raw green seeds turn into your perfect cup of coffee.
Yeah, that Brazilian burlap's like armor. Got it though.
These look good.
Green and clean, just how we like them.
Ready for the roaster before sunrise.
Keep them coming.
Probes are in. Reading is climbing and settling at 12.6% moisture. Good. Second sample, just to confirm. 12 even. Beans are right on spec.
Stainless steel, polished to a mirror, turning with patient strength. Each rotation folds and lifts, the baffles sweeping in silent rhythm. Light skims the surface like water. Ratios are set. Watch the shoots open. Kidney beans first, then cannellini, black, mung, and a finish of adzuki. Each falls in precise measure, a controlled cascade of
In the heat of the drum, the beans change. Their pale shells split, releasing whispers of steam. Beneath, the blue flames hum, steady and low. Minute by
coffee, spoonful up, let it breathe, listen. Citrus spritz, cocoa, and a flash of florals right at the back.
Curve. Here's the complete roast curve. The turquoise line is the target profile, the orange is the actual roast. You can see they track each other nearly perfectly. Charge at 206, turning at 132, first crack